Hello and welcome to another episode of Slow English with Kelsey. Today, I am talking about my favorite foods. I decided to talk about this because I'm a little hungry and maybe I have food on my mind. One of my favorite foods is pizza. I love pizza that gets cooked in a real pizza oven and the crust gets kind of little black spots from being cooked at such a high temperature, and the cheese gets all perfectly melty, and the toppings, if I choose to have toppings at that given time, are just nice and hot and crunchy with a little bit of, that cooked texture. Mm, Pizza is very good. On the other end of the spectrum, another of my favorite foods is sushi. I really love sushi. I love to eat salmon, especially. Recently, I've ordered a lot of sashimi when I've gone out to eat sushi. Sashimi is literally just the raw fish, no rice. Sometimes rice can be ordered on the side, but sashimi is just a nice cut of raw fish with chopsticks. I take the fish and I dip it in soy sauce. Soy sauce is a special type of salty sauce that you use for enjoying sushi. I like to add a little bit of wasabi to my soy sauce. Another of my favorite foods in the dessert category are chocolate chip cookies. This is kind of an American classic recipe. I just really enjoy the simplicity of a chocolate chip cookie, and it's a dessert that I keep coming back to, whether it's something that I make at home or I buy already prepared. It is a recipe that has a pretty basic dough and chocolate chips, which are little pieces of chocolate, are added to this dough. There are some variations of a chocolate chip cookie, like adding walnuts or pecans or toffee or caramel. But typical chocolate chip cookie is just chocolate chips. And they are very delicious in their own right. The thing with food for me is it's super difficult to choose favorite foods because I really enjoy trying a huge array of different foods. I will try almost any food at least once, twice, three times, four times, five times. I am not afraid of trying new foods. I also think that eating new foods is such a phenomenal way to learn about new cultures. When I travel, I love to try foods from the culture which I am traveling in. I feel like through the food, I can learn so much about the place which made it. And I just really enjoy that so much. I am curious about your favorite food. Let me know in the comments using your best English. I really just also want to remind you how awesome of a job you are doing learning English. I know that language learning can sometimes be really hard. And the fact that you are dedicating time and energy to learning English is amazing. Keep up the amazing work. And until next time.